Hey guys, Alex from Airsoft. We have a I have it right? Yeah. We're with you guys today.
On horses.
It is kind of cold. We're at my house, in Buffalo. Liam, Austin. You guys don't know him yet, but he usually plays on a team, but he was busy the last couple weeks. Oh my god. And Tom, which you guys met last week. Okay. All right, guys, are you ready?
No.
Yeah, you guys are ready. All right, are you guys ready?
No.
You pause it. All right, 3, 2, 1, Airsoft. Tom, you don't waste all your ammo. Okay. I don't know. All right, so we got Tom using my G&G GR16 Raider. Oh, Liam's out already. Oh god. Then we have Austin using his what was that, CYMA? Bridget, why are you standing up? Oh god. Okay. Ready, Jack, moving up. Okay. Oh my god, don't hit the cameraman! Watch the cameraman! Alright, brake check. You know, technically awesome. Tom back there. Tom, move up.
I can't, I'm pinned.
You're not pinned. They can't even reach that far. Who's out? Alright. Phil, over there.
I got you. Out.
Alright, Vertex out. Alright, only Tom's left. And we have Dominic over here behind this. You guys over here.
Are you out?
We have Dom using his G36C. I think he is either going to or did buy that for Liam. Dude, Phil, oh my god, stop. Dude, stop, seriously. Okay.
Tom, you're gonna die.
Alright, it's just a one-on-one match. Wait, wait, is Phil still in?
Yeah. He's using my gun.
Run! Run, Tom, run! Oh my god. Alright, go. Hold on. Alright, over here, got Tom.
I hate you guys.
Wait, what mag do you have in? Dude, oh my god, you're the mid. Okay, oh, I thought you had the mid cap, but I was like, dude, you're screwed. Okay,
I definitely got you.
No, dude. Like when you're whining it, dude, when you're whining it, hold it like this. Like.
I definitely got you.
Sorry for this faulty camera work, guys.
Oh, you're out.
All right, we got Dom. Dom's out. We just have Tom and Phil left. All right, we'll see Phil. All right. We got Liam over there shooting his scorpion. That was funny. All right. We got Phil against this tree here. Trying to be tactical, but he's not. Phil, what brand's your gun?
I don't know, I'm using Alex's.
Oh, you're using Alex Morelos. See, now, Alex is... See, I'm the real Alex, okay? But the other Alex, I don't think you guys can see that, but he is over, like, right there. And he's in the blue coat. And he got the same gun as me. I was mad about that. But mine's more awesome because it has a Magpul decal on it. So. Dude, Phil, I heard you get out. Phil, you're out. I heard the BBs hit you. Alright, Phil's out.
Where's Tom shoot me from?
Let's go celebrate. So with the winning team.
Tom, where did
Oh my God! Hey, don't like this isn't even my camera. Dude, stop, Don. Oh God, Don. Oh,
Liam.
jeez. Dude, stop. Okay.
Liam.
All right.
Where were you when you shot me?
These are
I gotta get mine.
and the retards. All right. Thank you. Please comment, rate, and subscribe.